nail polish today. O, tingnan ko naman. Diba? Pwede ako maging, magkaroon ng nail polish design. Look, I made it so. I draw it so. Dinrawing ko yan. Aba, batik-batik. O, tignan mo, parang polka dots. Parang dog polka dots. Never mind about my color. It's my original me. Original colors of Filipina beauty. By the way, hello guys. Hello. Nag-nail polish kasi ako, nail polish art. I trying hard, but no one compare. Okay? That's me. Thank you. Mabuhay, Rogelia. Mabuhay, Philippines. Just call me Rhodes for short. Nabulol pa ka. Sorry, English kasi girls. Kaya sorry na, pasensya na. I'm not perfect, but I'm trying hard to be a perfect woman person. Not perfect mom, but I'm trying my best to be a perfect mother of my own daughter. That's it. Thank you. Mabuhay, Philippines. Mabuhay, me. Bye. Oh, si Pokemon. Sabi ni Pokemon, bye.